A car cleaning gel is extremely convenient for removing dust and debris from areas where your hands or a dusting cloth cannot reach, but with so many alternatives on the market, it may be tough to find the right gel for your needs. Don't worry, we've put together this comprehensive guide on finding the right car cleaning gel and factors you should consider before making a purchase. To choose from, there are a variety of best cleaning gel for car detailing, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put together a list of the best cleaning gel for car detailing from reliable businesses to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered how beneficial these items are for people like you. Check out my description if you want to learn more about the price and other details. Let's start the video now without further ado. Number 1. Color Coral Car Cleaning Gel. Color Coral is an excellent representation of what a car cleaning gel should do. It offers an eco-friendly way of cleaning the interior of a car without leaving behind a sticky residue on the surface. The lemon-scented car cleaning gel will surely make your car smell pleasant when you are done cleaning. The multifunctional car cleaning gel can even be used on keyboards, calculators, vents, air conditioners, television, and other appliances. Color Coral also offers a money-back guarantee in case of issues with the product. Its non-sticky formula and pleasant smell make this car cleaning gel the best overall on our list. Number 2. Puladiki Car Cleaning Gel. Next on our list is the car cleaning gel from Puladiki. This eco-friendly gel is very effective at picking up dust, debris, and soot from narrow gaps. This reusable car cleaning gel is packaged in a box to ensure that it remains fresh and ready to use whenever you need it. It is perfect for cleaning air vents, steering wheels, console panels, and other hard-to-reach spaces. Not only that, but this cleaning gel may also be used to clean keyboards, calculators, and different types of equipment. Number 3. 5Joy Car Cleaning Gel. This 5Joy Car Cleaning Gel is highly versatile and can clean a range of surfaces. It is perfect for cleaning any nook and cranny of your automobile. This biodegradable gel is made of environmentally friendly ingredients such as natural vegetable gum and glycerol. The car cleaning gel also gives off a pleasant scent when using it. Moreover, 5Joy makes sure this gel does not stick to your hand, so that it is not a nuisance to handle. This gel is reusable and can clean any surface or appliance, such as laptop keyboard, printer, game console, TV remote, speaker grills, fan grills, and vents. With 4 different colors to choose from, this car cleaning gel offers the widest variety on this list. Number 4. Tickerf Car Cleaning Gel. The Tickerf Car Cleaning Gel is built with high-tech cleaning material that effectively picks up dust, debris, hair, and crumbs from any creak or crevice. With only a slight push, this car cleaning gel can sink into any tight space that conventional cleaners cannot physically reach. You can also keep reusing this gel until its color turns completely black. Available in a variety of scents, this car cleaning gel will not only clean surfaces, but also leave behind a pleasant smell when you are done. For your convenience, this gel is designed to ensure it does not stick to your hand. This car cleaning gel can also be used on appliances at your home and workplace. Number 5. KAR4KLEANER Car Cleaning Gel. The final item on our list is KAR4KLEANER's Car Cleaning Gel. This car cleaning gel is perfect for those looking for a more economical option to clean their car's interior. It can perfectly clean any hard-to-reach gaps, such as the car air conditioning vents, gear, and dashboard. It is also capable of cleaning any pet hair that may be stuck in a corner of your car. The gel is also specially designed to not stick to your hand. Adding to its experience, the car cleaning gel has been scented with a light fragrance to keep your car smelling fresh. The reusable car cleaning gel can also be used on digital products, such as personal computers, keyboards, digital cameras, and laptops. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel as I post useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up to speed with our innovative items, since they will make your life more simpler.